Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you in case any of your customer reaches out to you and complains that he is getting a locked UI in the inbox, that he is not able to see the previous chats that customer have interacted. So how to fix this problem and whether it is an issue or it is not an issue. First thing, like this is not an issue. This is a configuration that as a partner you can set for your customers while creating the plan. Let me show you how you can do. Go to your partner's account. Like for example, I was under this customer account. Check which plan this customer have and go to customer plans. Search for that plan. Click on the action tab and edit option over here. Scroll down, click on feature restrictions. Take your cursor to the last and here you will find this option of retention period. So this is basically a thing which shows you for how many days the customer who owns this plan, whosoever have this plan, for how many days he can see the chats in their inbox. So for now it was set to 30 days. As per your requirement, you can change it to any of the time frame from here and update the settings from here. Please note that if you update anything for the feature restrictions, it will reflect on the customer's account, but from the next billing cycle of their plan. So this is how this problem can be solved for any of the customer. In case any of the customer complains that they are seeing a locked UI, please make sure to check this thing first. That's all about this video. In case if you have any doubt, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries.